What's up, YouTube? Back here with a video. Just received this in the mail today. So this is part of the X5 Legion series. As you may recall. So joined the Legion, and about a month or so later, this finally came in the mail. So I was not expecting this, though. This came with a 511 tactical cap. Has a snapback here, and it's got a little portion here to put maybe a name tape. Yeah, just standard black cap, nothing special, but that's a nice touch. Also in the box is the Legion coin for the X5. Let's take a look here. So there you can see the X5 coin. Very nicely done. And Legion on the back. Really cool. Beyond that, you're going to get a single pistol case in medium gray from 511. And I think these are pretty much just the standard cases. I've used these before. So let's take a look. So the difference here is going to be this Velcro hook and loop attachment, which is not available on any standard 511 pistol case that I know of. Other side, you're gonna have a 511 logo, and inside you're gonna have, this is a little bit different. This is kind of nice. This black here, more silica gel. So that's actually a different pocket. Actually, I don't even know what you would put in there. It's kind of interesting. 1, 2, 3, so 6. Count them, 6. And then that would be your pistol pouch there. I'm guessing this might just be, maybe you can throw a manual or something in there, paperwork. But yeah, these work fairly well. These are the Legion magazines that came with the pistol. So those go there nicely. And you got the Sauer logo there. And this is just, something I had from previous, kind of fits right in there. So you got yourself a nice pistol case. So this one is a lot different than what previously they used to give out, which this one is for the Legion 226. This one's nice, but I think this one has more practical application. This one's, has some carry to it. Like I said, looks like maybe a paper, you could put some notes or something in there along with the pistol. And 6, I could fit more magazines on there. So, but that is what is included now with all new Legion pistols. They've done away with that old model that I showed you, and this will probably be the standard going forward. And I kind of like it, and I like the 511, so it works for me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Bye-bye.